Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video we're taking a look of how to get maximum performance on your Nvidia control panel. So guys, to navigate to your control panel, you can see over here, right click and go to Nvidia control panel, click on that. So now guys, first navigate the first option, image settings preview, and select this option, the second option, and when you are click simply apply. Once you select use the advanced 3D settings, now you can go to manage 3D settings. Now we have to optimize a lot of things, so get ready. If you have previously messed up anything, you can simply click over here to refresh every settings, but I have already managed the settings, so I will just show you real quick. First thing is like this mode. I will recommend you to turn this off. Now you can see the second option, the CPU feature right over here. Make sure you select your Nvidia CPU right over here, select and click OK. Now head over this open CPU. If you are having this option, select to your graphic card. Now scroll down a little bit and go for power management mode right over here and go for maximum performance right over here. Now go to texture filtering options right over here and select the high performance. Now go to texture filter optimization and make sure it's on right over here. And what we find more options is over here. If you are going to go for this, make sure this is like use the best settings right over here, and we are all done over here, and just simply click on apply. Now let's go for a third option and make sure over here you select your Nvidia graphic card. Now let's move on to display performance right over here. It will be amazing for your gaming performance. Now first thing, navigate to change resolution and make sure your FPS is high and select the more top option right over here and make sure everything is on top. Make sure your resolution is very high, and that's all over here, and click over here apply. And now let's see the next option. Over here you can go for use Nvidia settings, so you can get the best color for your monitor. And the next option is right over here. You don't have to change anything, we can skip this option as well. Right over here we can even skip this option. If you are having more multiple screen, you can manage from here. We can skip this as well. We can skip this as well, it's nothing to do over here. If you are having this option, change to your Nvidia settings. And for gaming and color, if you want to change, you can change, it's up to you. And we are all done over here. You can simply restart your system, and guys, that's all. You will get some best performance on your graphics card. So guys, if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.